In today's quick video, let's talk about the adaptogen known as Tulsi or Holy Basil. Let's dive in. So this plant is native to India and is often used in Ayurvedic medicine. Typically, I see dosages of around 500 milligrams to 1200 milligrams for a period of about 30 days to 2 months or so. And this one is generally well tolerated. You can use this topically as well as orally. For this herb, there are a variety of parts that are used. You can use the leaf, you can use the stem, you can also use the oil. Of course, like most of the adaptogens that we've been talking about in this series, Tulsi or Holy Basil is anti-inflammatory as well as antioxidant. It's thought that its anti-inflammatory properties are coming from its ability to actually inhibit some of the COX pathways. So these are some common inflammatory pathways. And in that case, we've seen in some studies, even in animal models, that because of this pathway, it actually helps to reduce fever. And of course, in working as an antioxidant, it's helping to balance the effects of oxidative stress so that we don't get premature cellular death or tissue damage. It is, of course, used commonly for its calming or anti-stress type effects, and it is thought to help modulate cortisol levels. Because it also has been shown to alter neurotransmitter levels in the brain, it's also used sometimes as an anxiolytic, so to help with the feeling of anxiety. Now, how do I use this in daily practice? I actually don't use this herb that often, and that's only because I have not found a great formulation that I really love. However, I do recommend it quite often as a tea, just for almost anyone who's dealing with stress to drink throughout the day. It has a very calming effect. You're not going to get a caffeine rush, but it does have a very calming and relaxing effect, and it actually tastes pretty great as a tea as well. All right, I hope that this video was helpful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you learned something. Let me know in the comments if you've used this herb, how you found it, and how you use it. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video next week. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.